Once Creo's fired up, the first thing we should always do is select a working directory. I already have a folder in my documents called Keypress. So there we go, Keypress. That's going to be my working folder, and everything associated with this project will get saved there. I'm going to make a part, and I'm going to make, the first thing I'm going to make is going to be called mirror underscore back. Remember, Creo doesn't like spaces. I can also save this file once I've made the first shape as the mirror as well. So I just want to make a very simple extruded rectangle based on the front plane. So click on that, and it will go to the sketch, center rectangle, click in the middle, drag out about the right proportions, and then select normal. Double click on the top measurement. I'm going to change that to 150 and press the enter key. Double click on this one. I'm going to change that to 210. Press the enter key and OK that. I'm going to set this measurement to 3 millimeters. Just pop it into isometric to have a look. Zoom extents if I like. I'll roll my mouse. That's OK. So once I'm happy with that, I can OK that. And there I have a rectangle, 210 high, 150 wide, and 4 mil thick. Did I make it 4 mil thick? If I'm not sure, I can right click on there, pick this icon, and change it to 4. And OK. Okay, I'm going to save. OK that, and I'm also going to do a file, save as, bog standard mirror. OK that. Notice this hasn't changed here. I've just made a copy of that file called mirror. I can edit that later. Now we'll create the holes so that this can be screwed to the slider part of the frame. We're just going to select a hole from here, or if you're working in the schools menu here, and that needs a placement. It needs to know that it's going on this surface. Notice that's still red. These two green markers here will tell the hole how far in from each edge it's going to be. So if we pick this one up and take it up to that top line there, and double click on that, make that 6, and take this one to that edge there, and double click to make that 24, and go OK. We've now got the hole exactly where we want it. We need to quite severely countersink this to about 3. 3 seems to be a default setting on my computer. You may need to change it in here. Okay. Okay. So now we've got a chamfered hole where we'll put a screw through into the hardwood. 24 is just a rough rule of thumb because it's double the thickness of the wood we're screwing into. As a by the by. I want to copy this now because I need 4 of these, so just going to look at the front view and zoom it to fit. Going to highlight the chamfer by clicking on it in the model tree, and I'm going to go into the model tab now and take the hole and hold down Control and chamfer. Right click, make those a group, which we can right click and give the name of pilot hole 2, because now to take that pilot hole group and mirror it around this plane, click say OK, and then I want to hold down Control again. Select this, hold down Control, select this, mirror, do that again and OK, and there I've got my 4 holes in there. Just take off the plane display. And there we go, so mirror back, save that, and we've created the first 2 parts, so save that again.